Hello, and thank you for watching our videos on Saneauto YouTube. I'm your host, Victor Sane. I've been ASE certified since the 1980s and Master certified since 1991. End up burnt, bruised, or bleeding if you do this job, but it'll cost you $800 to $1,200 if you pay somebody else to do it. If you're watching this and you search up by the code, you're probably having a similar problem as to what we're having here. And let me tell you a little story. We're on the freeway and we've been doing other repairs to this vehicle and everything's going great. We're on the freeway, very busy, lots of traffic, and just power goes away, triangle of death comes on. And so pull over on the side of the freeway, you're seeing the triangle of death, check hybrid system. And I had noticed the day before that while the engine was running, you could hear a little bit of a weird noise coming from here that you cannot hear now. And it went away before I got a chance to figure out what it was. I always carry one of these with me, which I plugged into the OBD2 port. And it's Bluetooth to my phone. So I was able to pull up the codes that way while sitting on the side of the freeway. I get a P261B, which says it's coolant pump B. And of course that is the engine coolant pump, which happens to be underneath here where I had heard the noise the other day and the noise went away. Well, if you can see down in there, well, I guess you can't. But I'm going to take this off so you can. So I took those 3 bolts off, and now you can see down in here, and this is the water pump. And it is electrically powered, so the connector's right here, and you push on that tab and pull to get the connector off. And then you have a bolt right here, another bolt here, and 4 more down there that you can't see from here, but, well, you can see that one right there. But those 6 bolts you take off, and the water comes off. It's really that easy. I mean, there's not anything else to it because, you know, one of the things I like about this is it doesn't have any belts or anything. So you don't have to deal with any belt tensioners or none of that. And it's not a water pump that's being run by a timing belt, which would be even more difficult. It's just the electric motor and the pump itself, they're all contained right in here and they come right off. I'll show you another picture here on the computer. Now, I've already ordered the water pump, and I will be making another video and put it up here showing you me changing the water pump. Now, Toyota wants $500 for this before you pass out. Of course, you've got these on eBay for about $250, $260. And then, where I got it, because you never know just how fast the other eBay shippers are going to ship it. I know I ship my parts really fast for people. But Amazon has it for $247. And I know they ship fast because I get my parts really quick when I get them from there. And of course, since I'm selling parts, you know, lucky for me, I usually sell more parts than I buy, so I'm still gaining some money. But point is right here where this says Aisin, if it'll say Toyota and it's made by Aisin, but it says Toyota instead of Aisin, or it says Toyota and Aisin. These are the people that make the water pumps that you pay $500 for at Toyota. So it's the same water pump. Same motor, everything. They are the original equipment manufacturer for Toyota. Now, a lot of these, you can get it a little bit cheaper if you order it from Japan, but it's going to take you like a month to get it. My question for you guys is, I've already got this one coming. I paid all that for it. I can get a little bit cheaper from Japan. Should I get 1 or 2 from Japan and put it on my eBay and put a link to that on there? Because I could put it on eBay for probably $225 on my eBay and still make a little money, and everybody would have a way to get it cheaper and fast, cheaper than Amazon, cheaper than anywhere, without having to wait a month for it to come from Japan. So if you think I should do that, put a comment below the video. Until the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. Now, if you're new to the channel, we got lots of repair videos, both already on the channel. I think by the time this video was on, we're at 600 videos. of repair videos on lots of different cars, including hybrids, Mustangs, Crown Vics, Ford modular engines, you name it, it's probably on there. Also show car vehicles, car shows. And one of our next videos is going to be changing all these corroded bus bars on the battery. We've also got some new suspension parts for the front of this Prius. And we've got videos on how to take all the seats out and put them back in. Just lots and lots of videos. Oh, and the cleaning the cooling fan out so you don't have to replace it. That would be another $200–300 if you didn't know how to clean it. We're also going to film doing the coils and the plugs on this Ford modular engine. Yes, this is the 5.4 liter that the plugs break off in. So we're going to tackle that sucker and have it all on film right here for you on Saneauto. And our videos show up every Tuesday and Thursday at 1 o'clock. And we are live every Sunday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as always, there are links to the parts and the tools that I use in the description.
Don't do anything I do in my videos, and don't even do anything I talk about in my videos.
Welcome to Saneauto. We're so glad you're here. We don't just do repairs and tool reviews.
Bienvenida a Saneauto. Nosotros no solamente hacemos reparaciones de autos.
We also film hot rods and mod rods, project cars, classic cars, antiques.
Nosotros también filmea autos antiguos, mod rods, hot rods, cualquiera.
We also like to take you with us to the car shows and the cruise-ins, so make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything.
Me gustaría llevarte con nosotros a los cruise-ins y car shows. Entonces, empuja ese botón y toca de campaña para que no pierda nada.
Hello! So no matter how hot, miserable, and uncomfortable it is, put a dust mask on, suck it up, Buttercup, and protect yourself. Whoa, look at that! Did you see that cloud? Oh, geez. It's like it's got a smoking problem.